Black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
GlowPrincesss. Back to another video. It's your girl Glow and I'm back at it again with a new slave. For today's wig, we'll be wearing a wig that I received from KlaiyiHair. I recently literally did a review on their hair, actually on this bob that I'm wearing right now. So if you want to see how I installed this bob and everything, make sure you watch my last video on Klayii, because this is literally the same wig that I slicked back in a pony and it looks real nice, real sleek and real natural, period. So yeah, KlaiyiHair. The wig that I'll be showing you guys today is a headband wig. These come in handy, sis. I'm gonna show you guys today how I style and apply this headband wig. I've done my first one before and it looked so good, so I'm really in love with these wigs. Like, they're so convenient, so pretty, really easy to style. So yeah, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Ooh, okay. It comes with a whole bunch of headbands, you know, and oh my god, this one is so pretty. This is gonna go so good with my outfit today. This one's also really cute. I'm not sure if everybody's package come with all these headbands, but I know mine did. I'm not sure if y'all's gonna come like that. I don't know, yeah. And it also comes with the wig, and that's pretty much everything that's in the box. Let me go ahead and open her up. So this wig is a 22-inch body wave headband wig. So I'm really excited to see how the body wave is gonna look. So I believe that the wig, when you purchase yours, is gonna come with one headband inside the box, just like this. So I believe that you only get one, but you probably could purchase the extra ones if you want to. But yeah, mine came with this little cheetah print one, which is really, really cute. So this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, oh my goodness, the hair on this wig is super, super soft, you guys. What? Yeah, it's really, really soft. The wig doesn't have a smell. It looks really silky. It looks so silky and pretty. This is what the front looks like. So it comes with this black headband right on the front. It's a nice size, so it can like cover, honestly, like almost your whole forehead. This is what the bottom looks like. It comes with this little mesh clipper thingy right here, so for extras, you know, secure it so it can, like, you know, hold on to the back of your head. And it also has combs on the bottom and the top. So this wig is not going anywhere. This tutorial is not going to take long at all. This hair is super soft. It's not going to take long at all because I already have the wig installed. All I have to pretty much do is apply this and style it, clean up the curls on my head, and I'm really, really excited. So let me go ahead and get started with this video. I will see you guys once the video is over. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a I just finished curling the hair. As you guys can see, it looks so much more prettier. It looks neat and very classy. I'm in love with this look. Like, look how flat this look. Look how natural this look. Like, period. I really love these headband wigs. Okay, so now I'm gonna figure out which headband I want to put on. I really like this one. I'm wearing like a black and white outfit, so I'm thinking this one might look the cutest. And I like how thick it is because I feel like it's gonna cover the band enough. So I think I'm gonna put this one on. Yes. Okay, it's not thick enough, but I could always tuck the underband under this. But this is definitely the one. Hold on, let me fix this. Let me tuck it in there really quick. Okay, here we go. Ooh, this looks so good. So let me go ahead and change and I'll be right back. I need to put some lip gloss on, some clothes on. I'm a little ashy, so child, let me come back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm in love with the way this came out. This looks super classy. It's the perfect wig for a look like this. Really chill, really classy, really grown. You know, it's giving young and mature or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check out KlaiyiHair. I will have all the links down below. And make sure you guys don't miss out their Black Friday sales. I will also include all coupons and everything down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.
Hit me with all of that melanin, hocus pocus, baby.